a child OC called. Oh, that's so cool. Benchmark for good cooking, yes. Two, 'cause that's what the baddies do. Kali be slaying this track though. Got all the
Listen,
The girl who raps this from G-Idol, she is so fucking badass.
She's so funny though.
Love
Like,
her. She's
have
so
you seen
cute.
the behind the scenes when she was recording this?
Yeah.
It is hilarious.
She's adorable.
Her and Ari were recording together.
Tell about your jacket.
Which this jacket?
Yeah, just say I love your jacket.
Oh yeah, it's from the Kiyu stop. It's they call my represent, my kudo baby. I'm wearing this because my boyfriend gave this to me, kudo. He was like, kudo was like, hey, I have my jacket, so.
Rose is leaving. She said, enjoy your food and go now.
Thank you, baby. I love you. Why are you surprised?
I'm not surprised. That was complimentary. Oh my god.
Should we put in like the spices?
Yeah, and a little bit because I just want to make sure that everything is cooked. Because if it's not, I can't see it anymore if I put the spices in.
Swedish cosplay. Thank you, sweetie. I appreciate you.
And hard to do, 'cause that's what the baddies do. Sorry.
So many comments.
Everyone is like,
Hi
I
guys, how are
love
you?
your vibes.
Thank
vibes,
you.
good vibes.
We are just idiots.
Fair enough. Fair assessment.
Saku.
But it makes it fun.
Someone commented like, still waiting for your police.
So for your police. What is this, Suji?
I can't follow this. Why are you guys distracting me? I know how to cook. Let me do my tacos. What did you say, baby?
Do you know? I have to take
Out of my kitchen. Get out of my kitchen. No, I'm kidding. What's the question?
They're looking forward to your police OCs.
Oh, the symphonies. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait a little bit for that because Sage is a little busy, but it's gonna be good. It's gonna be really
Thank you, sweetie. Again, with the panda, Swedish cosplayer.
Thank
That's
you.
sweet. That's the second time. Never given before.
Waar is de muziek?
Thank you, baby. Oh, it's on. It's coming.
Kicking everyone out of the kitchen already. Yeah, she is so feisty.
I am feisty. If you touch my food, yes. Not to kiss.
People are asking what you're
my
cooking.
spaghetti.
Huh? They
They're
were.
asking what you're cooking.
I am cooking Desca Cosplay today. No, I'm kidding.
So
Very
Today
specific.
we're making. It's Taco Tuesday.
It's the spices are actually the salt for my tears.
Yeah, the water that you add
like
this special sauce. It's a special sauce.
We
I'm
can
scared
tell.
now. Oh, it smells good though.
I know, right? This is why we need it too, because
Huh?
I love you guys' comments so much. Thank you, sweetie.
No,
You're
skip
such a
September.
kid.
Oh my god.
That's the no touching zone. Yes, Remus.
don't touch me there. This is my no-no spot. Oi!
I'm touching the pan. I officially helped. I stirred the food. I'm
Ronnie, als
officially
jij muziek op
co-cooking.
wil zetten, mag het ook, hè?
Oké, maar dan ga ik wel even een oldschooltje pompen.
Oké, dat is goed.
Helemaal mooi.
Ronnie, by the way. Ronnie, are you
Happy
here?
birthday.
Happy birthday!
Yay!
It's not his birthday.
What's your favorite movie?
Thank you, Igni. You're so cute. My favorite movie is Transformers as well as Pacific Rim. Yes, Ronnie, you know me. Chili beans and chili beans. Nice.
Oh yeah.
I don't really have a favorite movie, but the movie I can watch over and over again is the Lego Batman movie.
Oh my god, yes.
So
You guys get out of my kitchen right now. Get out. Kidding.
No. It's there.
I think my favorite movie.
I just like move further away.
The Danish Girl. Have you ever seen that one? The Danish Girl.
The Danish girl.
It's with
I have
Eddie
not.
Redmayne who plays Newt Scamander, and it's a movie about the first transgender woman like having reassignment surgery.
Oh, really?
It's such a beautiful. Every time I watch it for like 4 times,
You gotta
and
cry.
every time I cry. It's so beautiful. I really recommend it. I swear.
She's like, she's half cooked.
Yeah.
My kitchen is small, you guys.
It's made
Just
for
like you.
sucky-sized people.
I said you remember. My neighbors are gonna hate me.
I used to be with a choir. We sang the song. It's true.
Yo, legit, people with headphones in right now, that's like, I'm sorry, Rip.
Saku and Desca are my canon OTP.
Well,
I'm just the food is spicy today, okay?
Okay, it's my favorite.
Unless you do Patreon.
So
Oh yeah, but
I mean you can go ahead and ship, but it's not canon. I'm sorry to say.
yeah, we would kill each other in a relationship
Oh
for sure.
yeah. It's not gonna be good.
We discovered that Nisa is not straight.
Oh yes, well, I'm still figuring that one out. Yeah.
What I'm hearing is Desca can sing. Thank you. I can kinda sing those specific songs. This is easy, but not the hard ones.
Je moet je linkerschoen 1 centimeter hoger maken.
Wat?
Je linkerschoen.
Mijn linkerschoen?
1 centimeter hoger.
Because I'm not straight. Oh, that's why you figured out I'm not straight. Oh. Yeah, because, okay, so
Shocking news, guys.
I'm not straight. But
I am.
But let me explain this. So basically, I don't even know how to dance this, but I love this.
This is fucking chaotic. Just the moment he started doing this.
I love this music though. They have such good music.
Right? It's just.
It's like that, right?
I don't know. Ik ben kaapschool. I don't know.
Oh, so back to the topic.
Alright.
We figured out I was not straight because like they were measuring me and one side is 1 centimeter longer than the other one. So I'm not straight.
Surprisingly enough, I am straight. I'm having an existential crisis now.
Okay, now Mama Suck is coming out. Baby.
I'm not straight. Let me explain. Starts dancing.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Baby, I need to set the table.
Yes.
Because we're almost.
Table has been set.
Yeah. Oh, the food dinner is ready.
Okay, wait. I need to show you guys this. Like the dinner has been served. Look at this. Look at.
Is it Baby Shark? This is Baby Shark. This is Baby Shark.
I don't know what's happening, but
I'm 100% sure. This is Baby Shark, bitch.
how do you even know this? How do you know this? Why do you know this?
Here we go.
Oh my God! Baby, baby shark.
Waarom doet hij dat?
Shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark, mommy shark. Daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy. Grandma shark, we do like this. Grandma shark,
No, like this.
grandma shark. One, two, three. Grandma shark. This is a move. What's with all the glasses on the side? I don't know.
Next.
Okay. Food. You guys know that food's almost ready, right? So we need to set the table.
So,
Well,
kan ik deze gebruiken? Witte?
Oh ja, kan. Maar je kan ook gewoon deze gebruiken. Wacht.
Ja, nee, dan heb je deze al.
Oh, that's fine.
She just casually walked away. Okay.
Yeah, my food will burn. Thank you, Remus, for the loving.
Oh,
I'm
so
so
kind of like
tall.
the croissants.
You're so tall, like you don't fit in my kitchen.
She's so small.
What? Cuchara! Cuchara! Oh, what's cuchara again? Plato hondo! Plato llano! Cuchillito! Tenedor! Oh no! Azucarero! Oye, este! Cuchara! Cuchara! Plato hondo! Plato llano! Cuchillito! Tenedor! Salero! Azucarero! Batidora! ¡Ay! Oye, este! My brother is managing the music, so something is going wrong.
Do we placements?
No. We do. Oh, my heart. Is this Coco? Yes!
Dance for something, Saku just keeps dancing. That's what I gotta work with.
Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor.
You just put them on your head.
Yes!
They're saying this isn't gonna end well if you two start living together.
How are you feeling? Make it the best. I'm yelling and I'm yesing. I don't know the lyrics.
Yeah, I'm a professional, I swear.
So cute.
Thank you. Guys, I just want to say it's I see some clock. It's about like 9 or something, is
What I
it?
believe you were is thank you.
Thank you.
You're
No, I didn't. I wasn't.
We gotta do this one right.
I see what's happening here.
I know.
You're face to face with greatness and it's strange. You don't even know how to feel.
It's adorable.
Well, it's nice to see that you must never change. Open your eyes and let's begin.
Thank you for the love,
It
babe.
really means Maui. Breathe it in. I know it's the left, the hair, the bud. When you're staring at a demigod, what can I say except Toronto? Astron, knock it up! Oh my god, thank you. I'm just an ordinary demigod.
Hey, what has
Two
it
thumbs and pulled on the sky. When you were waddling yay high, this guy.
when the night
I'm gonna say it, Jay. Fire from below. You're looking at it, yo. Oh, also I let soak the sun. Yo,
today's a breeze.
fun. Finest the breeze. You're welcome to make your dreams. What can I say?
You're welcome.
We just dropped octaves when we got to that part.
Don't need to pray, it's okay.
You're welcome.
I guess it's just my way of being.
Oh, here it goes. Do you know it? Do you know it?
You're welcome.
Here we go.
Welcome to Fingerprint.
Honestly, I can go on and on. I can explain every natural phenomenon. The birds, the grass, the crowds, all of these bodies messing around. Gillidy's pretty. No, excuse me.
The glass
The ground, all of the noise is messing around. I can kneel with very disgust. So in the retreat, I make out coconuts. What's the lesson? What is the takeaway? Don't mess around with my things till I break away. And everything between you and my skin is a method of fingers I win. Look at this thing happen. Look at that meeting. We simply happening. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, that's so much wrong with us. Works.
Hey, it's okay, it's okay.
Yeah, welcome.
I
Gotta go. You don't know this?
No.
Oh, baby! You have a. We're gonna watch Moana.
What?
This is Dwayne Johnson singing it.
How the fuck is this? Ooh, so.
This is Tamatoa. You have not seen Moana either?
I fell asleep.
No, I've seen the movie, but like I only watched it once.
I've seen it for
So
years.
you're on the inside.
You crying live.
Shiny. Okay, that was it. Okay, guys, we need to
That's
set the last things
Yeah.
for the table
So what
because
do we need?
dinner is ready. Yeah, we need these. Ronnie, mice? Nay.
I'll put it
Can you look in the
I'm just standing away from
Can
the
you go to the meter
Entry.
cost? To the meter cost? To look for
The
more of
meter
these.
crossage.
We have a few of these more, and we have mice, corn, no corn.
What?
Hello.
Hey
How long have
guys.
you guys been best friends? About a year, I think.
Yeah. July 6th, 2019.
Why do you know this? Yes.
We just.
Yes.
The floor is lava.
Oh my god, no! I hate you.
Run, you fucker! You damn shit! This is why I love my brother.
Myself.
He does know what's right.
Wait.
That is amazing.
Wait.
Oh, I can't. What's
Astron.
it's a concert though. But no,
We just
no,
did a
Astron.
concert.
No.
This is such an emotional roller coaster.
Yes, I can't.
But it's cool to
You're giving, but you're not allowed to give because you're already a patron. They're already donating so
cheese,
much, baby.
food porn. It's not.
Why are you so cheesy? Oh my god.
It's not coming out.
Can you just go look for the
It's
corn?
not coming out. No, that's too corny.
I'll fix this. You fix the.
Where's the
You
corn?
fix the porn.
Where do I find the porn?
In the meter cost.
On our Patreon. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Can you find Patreon in meter cost?
In meter cast.
Oh, we're
Can you
not
make a
Nora,
Patreon
right?
in a meter cost?
Can we pretend we're normal? We did not see that. That was out of camera angles.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah.
It was so synchronized.
Hey, wait. Go, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wait, hold on. Go, let's go.
Maak je go.
That says it.
Here's your corn. My corn.
Ja,
My lady.
It's my very
Flexibel studeren.
Hey, Saki. Hell yeah. That's my vibe.
It's too hot, you
Bepaal
guys.
zelf hoeveel uur je studeert.
She
Wanneer
sounds like Kelly from Kelly and Carly. I don't know who you refer to, and I don't know who Kelly and Carly are.
What?
She sounds like Kelly from Kelly and Carly.
Wait, who's?
Hi, Carly.
I don't know. No, because that's Sam. Right? That's not Kelly.
Okay, baby. Can you put this on the table and that on the table? I think it's on the table.
Yeah, I got it.
I try to be
Here,
everything
too?
that I can.
That one.
But sometimes I don't notice being nothing.
Oh, there we go. And I think we're done. Okay, babies. I'm gonna put this on.
But sometimes I come out as being nothing.
Because I gotta.
Het moet wel steeds makkelijker.
Nee, maar je mag gewoon aan.
Okay, baby, you know the best thing? I assume Astron recorded our amazing jam session.
Oh no, that's right. Astron records our live streams. Oh, honey, if you put it on YouTube, you need to give it to me because I need to see this on. Yeah, maybe that's not a good idea.
Bucky.
Ore, nayo, kokoro dayo. Konna niku datte, nani wo senshi wo dayo. Okay, babies, we're gonna cut off the live stream because we're gonna.
Also, Egypt is freaking amazing. You guys rock.
Yes, we love you, Egypt. Okay, so we gotta cut off the live stream because we gotta go eat. Thank you for joining in for this Christmas. Count on this a lot more if I could, because I get bored while cooking, so I always put the live stream on. So yeah, Desca, what the hell did you do?
It was a beat job. I had to.
All right, we love you guys. Mwah.
Bye.
Talk to you guys later.